An angry wind stirred up ghostly dust devils as King Tut was taken from his resting place in the ancient Egyptian cemetery known as the Valley of the Kings. See the line? And angry. Angry means here strong, wind. Stardom is aroused. Ghostly dust devils. Now what is ghostly dust devil? See the picture. See this. In this picture you see a dust storm. This is called ghostly dust devil. An angry wind means a strong wind. Stirred means aroused. Ghostly dust devils as King Tut, as the mummy of King Tut was taken from his resting place in the ancient Egyptian cemetery. Cemetery means graveyard. Cemetery means graveyard known as the Valley of the Kings. Now this Egyptian cemetery is known as the Valley of the Kings. See, in this picture there is the Valley of the Kings. See this is the Valley of the Kings. Here many mummies are lying buried. Dark veiled clouds had scudded. Scud means moved across the desert sky all day, and now were veiling means covering the stars in casket. Casket means jewelry box, but here sky. Grey. Grey means of grey color. See the line. Dark veiled clouds. See in this picture there are clouds, there are dark clouds. The writer has imagined that the clouds are hanging their dark valleys. That's why the writer has used this term for the clouds. Dark valley clouds had scudded, had moved across the desert sky all day. The desert sky all day, and now were veiling, now were covering the stars in casket. Now see casket. Actually casket means jewelry box. See what is the reason that the writer has used the word casket for the sky. Actually the writer has compared the stars with jewels, as jewels are kept in casket. In the same way the stars are in the sky. That's why the writer has used this word casket for the sky. See the line. And now were veiling means covering the stars in casket. Grey means of grey color. Actually the sky was of grey color. It was 6 p.m. on 5 January 2005. It was 6 p.m. on 5 January 2005. The world's most famous mummy glided means moved smoothly head first into a CT scanner, brought here to prove means examine, investigate the lingering medical mysteries of this little understood young ruler who died more than 3,300 years ago. See this line. The world's most famous mummy means Tut's mummy. Glided means moved smoothly. Head, its head. First into a CT scanner. First, the head of the mummy was moved smoothly into a CT scanner, brought here, and it brought the result of scanning to prove, to examine, to investigate. Actually, when the mummy was scanned, when the head of the mummy was scanned, the result came, and this result provided material for the scientist to examine, to investigate the lingering medical mysteries. Lingering means remaining medical mysteries of this little understood young ruler. Actually, there are many remaining mysteries that are still unknown to the world. There are many mysteries about the life and death of King Tut. And the scientists, with the help of CT scanning, tried to solve the mystery about life and death of King Tut, who died more than 3,300 years ago. Actually, King Tut died more than 3,300 years ago. All afternoon, the usual line of tourists from around the world had descended into cramped, means narrow, rock-cut tomb some 26 feet underground to pay their respect. Before starting this line, I want to show you one picture here. See, this is the picture in which you see the mummy of King Tut, and that is being CT scanned. This is original picture of the mummy of Tut. See, when the mummy was taken out and it was scanned, the news spread throughout the world. That's why tourists came to see Tut's mummy. All afternoon, the usual line of tourists from around the world had descended, come down into Kremis narrow. Actually, the passage to the tomb was very narrow. To rock-cut tomb, the usual line of tourists from around the world had descended, means come down into the cramped means narrow passage to rock-cut tomb some 26 feet underground. That was some 26 feet underground to pay their respect. These tourists came to pay their respect to the mummy by having a look at it. The tourists gazed means looked at the murals. Mural means wall paintings on the wall of burial chambers. Burial means chamber means room where Tut was buried. And peered means looked at Tut's. Gilded means golden, made from gold or covered with gold face, and they looked at Tut's golden face. Actually, the outer cover of the coffin was shaped into the shape of the mummy of Tut, and it was made of gold. See, peered means looked at Tut's. Gilded means golden face, the most striking, most attractive feature of his mummy. Shaped outer coffin lid, and outer lid outer coffin lid. Lid means cover. Outer coffin lid was shaped into the face, into the body structure of King Tut. Some visitors read from guide books in a whisper, means in slow voice. Actually, they did not like to disturb King Tut. Some visitors read from guidebooks in a whisper. Others stood silently, and the other visitor remained standing silently, probably pondering his thinking. Tut's untimely death. Perhaps they were thinking over Tut's untimely death in his late teens mean teenage. In his late teenage, or wondering, or they were wondering with a shiver means shivering, trembling, if the Pharaoh's curse, death or misfortune, falling upon those who disturb him was really true. They were wondering if it was really true that death or misfortune might fall upon those people who disturb him, means King Tut. Actually, it was believed that if any person tried to disturb King Tut, misfortune or death, the curse of death or misfortune might fall upon him or her. It was a belief. That's why some tourists were standing silently, and those who were reading in a whisper. They were not making too much noise because they thought that their noise might disturb King Tut's rest. They thought that their disturbance, their noise might disturb King Tut's rest. That's why they were silent or they were reading in a whisper.